All right, this is my lesson plan for art, and we're going to be making clay Christmas ornaments. I already have one made out. For this, we'll just be using cookie cutters with air dried clay. So this one's a gingerbread man, and so then I'll show you guys the process of making it. So you'll want to grab however much clay you want, but you want to make sure it's big enough for whatever cookie cutter you choose. For this one, we're just going to be making a Christmas tree. Can you see that? So, start off by grabbing the clay. So depending on how thick or how thin you want your ornament, you'll just grab that much clay. You kind of guesstimate of about this much, and I'm going to be flattening it out. Usually we would probably have a rolling pin in class, but I don't have one with me right now, so we're going to have to improvise and just pat it like this. Make sure you're rotating it so it doesn't get stuck to your paper. Okay. I want mine kind of thin, so then it dries quicker. Just continue this process till you have the thickness or thinness that you would like. So this looks about good. And then after this, you choose whichever cookie cutter you want. I have all of these, but for this we're going to be just doing a Christmas tree and place it wherever you'd like. Make sure you have all the clay in there. Push it down, and then you'll just turn it around and get the excess clay off. It should look like this. And then you'll just want to gently push this out so you're not breaking anything, or those corners are kind of hard. There we go. Okay. And I'll just try to flatten it a little more. And then doing this lesson in class, I would have jewels or sequins so they can place it on there while the clay is still wet. You can push it into there and decorate the tree however you'd like. You can put a star at the top or just different jewels for the ornaments or lights. And then we will allow this to dry overnight. In the next class period, we will be painting them if the students would like, and we will also, while it's wet, you need to take your straw. Do this so you can place the thread in there after it dries. Just do that. Pull it right out, and there you have a hole. So then I will be moving to the one that I've already made and dried. Yeah, that looks good. So then I have this gingerbread man that's already. And for class, I would probably have different options for different colors of ribbons, but all I had here was this twine. So cut about however long you want. Insert it into the hole. Make sure these are even. And really, I would like mine a lot shorter than this, so I'm going to just cut this much off. And then we'll tie a knot. Make sure it's big enough to get around your tree. So there we have that, just a knot. You can move that to the back or whatever you want. Essentially, I'd have my students write their names on the back of them. And there's our Christmas ornament. So in order to have the students be unique and personalize their ornaments however they want, I'll allow them to pick whichever cookie cutter they want, and then they can decorate it however they want, paint it however they want, and choose which color ribbon that they want to attach onto the ornament. So I think this would be a good for third or fourth grade, just so they have that attention span to go and make sure they let their clay dry. And then if they want to paint them, they'll have to wait probably another day or pick it up at the end of the day. Maybe find out some sort of packaging. They could just lay it in a box and take it home with them if they don't want to wait till the next class period to pick it up or whatever. And so, yeah, I think this would be very fun for the students to do, and just a way so they can make someone a Christmas ornament, and they can make more than one if they want or whatever they want to do. It's really just a flexible lesson plan, and they can do whatever they want to show their creativity and uniqueness throughout their ornaments. Thank you.